Unlocking the meaning. Understanding staking in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: staking. This word has various meanings and uses, and by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use it in different contexts. So, let's dive in and start unlocking the meaning of staking. Staking is a term that can be used in several different contexts, and its meaning can vary quite a bit depending on the situation. Generally, it refers to supporting something with a stake or claiming ownership or interest in something. For instance, in gardening, you might stake a plant to support it as it grows. Here, staking means providing support. In a more metaphorical sense, you can stake a claim to something, which means you are asserting your ownership or right to it. This could be used in business, where someone might stake their claim to a portion of a market. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. 1. Gardening. I am staking the tomato plants so they don't fall over. 2. Claiming ownership. She is staking her claim to the family property. 3. Investment. He is staking a significant amount of money in the new startup. In each of these examples, staking is used to show support, claim, or investment in something. There are also some common phrases and idioms that use the word staking. Let's explore a few. 1. Staking a claim, asserting your ownership or right to something. 2. Staking out, observing or monitoring a person or place discreetly, often used in police or detective work. 3. Staking everything on, putting all your resources or efforts into one thing, hoping for success. These phrases show the versatility of the word staking and how it can be used in different contexts. And there you have it, a thorough look at the word staking. Whether it's providing support in a garden, claiming ownership, or investing in something, staking is a versatile word with many applications. We hope this video has helped clarify its meanings and uses for you. Thank you for watching, and happy learning! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.